Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar. Myself Varun. In this tutorial video, we will see how to play the song Kankale Randal from the Tamil movie Subramaniapuram. The notes have been mentioned in the video itself, so I hope it will be very useful for you to learn. So keep on learning. So the note will start from this note, second string. I am playing all the notes in first and second string only. So you can play even the notes in third as well. So the note will start from the note E in the second string. The second string fifth position is actually E. Second string fifth position is E. So note is starting from this E note. So Kankal Irandal. For that, four notes are coming: E, F sharp, G, and A. E, F sharp, G, A. So all these notes in the second string. So second string fifth position or fifth fret is actually E. Seventh is F sharp. Eighth is G. 10th is A. So E, F sharp, G, A. So these four notes are required for playing the lyrics Kankal Irandal. So that part. So these many times for all those lyrics these four notes are coming. So starting from E, Kankal is actually E and G. So E, G, that is Kankal. Kankal Irandal. For Irandal, three notes are coming: F sharp, G, A. F sharp, G, A. So E, G, that is Kankal, and F sharp, G, A is Irandal. N. Kankal Irandal. N. For N, that lyrics we are playing this G and F sharp. So E, G, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, and again same pattern: E, G. So this is the notes for the lyrics Kankal Irandal. So you can improve the playing style like this. So I have played the same note, but I try to play in a plucking style. That is, I strike E two times. So I didn't actually play the note G directly by striking. Instead of that, I played at note E. So two times E. Earlier we saw E and G. So instead of that, I played E two times and stopped at G. So this is the difference. So this is the plucking style, and the notes are same: E, G, F sharp, G, A. Irandal is actually G and F sharp. Kankal Irandal in Kankal Irandal in Katti Vechu. And next part is So this is coming. This is A and D. 2 times A, 2 times D. கண்கள் இரண்டால் என் கண்கள் இரண்டால் இருத்தால் இருத்தால். So that part is coming. இருத்தால். So A D D. So A D E A and this note G and F sharp. Modi Marandal. Actually, I don't know the lyrics exactly. So the notes are actually E, A, E, A, G, F sharp, E. So if you're playing all together, it will be. Again same pattern. So while playing the second pattern, there is a slight difference here. So if you observe the note very carefully, you could identify the difference between these two patterns. So it is actually A E A E A. Ori Madana. So A B A Marandal. This is G F sharp E. G F sharp E. So this is actually the first part, and one more thing coming in the first part, that is the female version. Pace enna irundal. So this is actually playing on the second first string. All the notes I played till now is on the second string. Now we are playing on the first string. So first string, this is D E F sharp. So we are just, you could have seen I started from D, moved towards E, then F sharp. Actually you can play here also. The notes actually what we are hearing is E. So I tried playing that E from the note D. So I just added the note E along with this. So it's actually plucking. Okay. So E F sharp. So E F sharp. So that many times we are playing E. And for that part only we are playing E, D. Harigil. For that we are playing D, C sharp, A. Harigil Baruve. So this note is a F sharp, A, E, F sharp, A, B. So this is B. This is on the second string. F sharp, A and B. വരുവേ ചില സില. So that sila is B and D. B and D. Sila ആവേ പൂത്തുനഗതാ. Same pattern. അരികിൽ വരുവേ നാട്ടിൽ. So this is coming P A G F sharp. And again കൺകൾ രണ്ടാൽ same pattern. So we will see again. വരുവേ മാറ്റിൽ കൺകൾ ഇരണ്ടാൽ. So this is same pattern again coming കൺകൾ ഇരണ്ടാൽ. So Anubalavi part we will see in the next video. So keep on learning. Thank you for watching.